Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make an easy stir-fried ramen with shrimp and bacon. And here are the ingredients. Diced scallion, 1 packet of ramen, cut up bacon, 4 pieces of jumbo shrimp, optional, salt, soy sauce, chicken base mix, and sugar. The first thing we need to do is boil some water and cook the ramen. And we will let the ramen cook in the water for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the ramen should be cooked and look like this. And now we can remove the ramen from the water and put it aside. Now let's start the stir-frying process. In a heated pan, I will add our pre-sliced bacon. And we are using medium heat. And now we could stir fry the bacon until it rendered some bacon grease. After the bacon renders some of its oil, now we can add in our minced garlic. And now we will stir fry the garlic and the bacon together until the garlic is a little bit nice and golden brown. Now we could also add in some of our green onions, which is about half. Now let's toss in our jumbo shrimp. We could stir fry the jumbo shrimp a little bit with the garlic, green onions, and bacon. But the way I want to cook the jumbo shrimp is by stirring it on both sides. Since the bacon, onions, and garlic is already cooked, I want to move it to the side. And sear both sides of the shrimp until it becomes nice and golden brown. And that will take about 60 seconds per side. Our shrimp is done, guys. You can see how nice and golden brown it is. And now we can move the shrimp and half the bacon from the pan. In the same pan as the bacon, we could add in our pre-cooked ramen. Since the bacon rendered some oil or grease, we don't need to add any extra oil, only if you guys prefer. Now we could season the ramen with some soy sauce, which is about 4 to 5 dashes of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of chicken base mix. And 3/4 teaspoon of sugar. Now let's take our chopstick and stir fry it and mix everything really well. For some color and oniony flavor, let's add in our green onions. Our stir-fry ramen is done, guys. Now let's plate it. Our stir-fried ramen is done, guys. Let's not forget about our shrimp. And the more bacon, the better. And to spruce up the color, let's add some more green onions. This quick and easy ramen with bacon and shrimp is so delicious on any day, and especially on a day that you don't feel like making anything else. A lazy day, that is. And you could also make it into a bigger portion for potlucks or to eat with families. I usually make this for my friends and family, or just for myself, and it tastes so good with sriracha sauce. It's so spicy and delicious. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.